Jump. Jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump.
Doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed.
Camden, are you jumping? Camden, are you jumping? You gonna get down? Watch out, Ainsley. Here comes Camden. Did Camden come down right on top of you?
Yeah. Come out! Come out!
Be nice. Camden, do you have a book too? Lukey, is Camden reading too? Yeah, you reading? What are you reading, Ainsley?
A bunny rabbit.
Oh, a bunny rabbit? What's in your book, Luke?
My book's a bug.
Oh, what kind of bugs? Camden, what's in your book? What's in Camden's book?
Dragon.
Yeah, Dragon in the Wagon. Oh, does he like your book, Luke? What about you, Ainsley? Tell me what's happening in your book. What's happening in your book?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know, Camden, you don't know? What's Camden saying, Luke?
That's a dog. And a ballerina.
Is he starting to talk?
And a ballerina. That will be.
Where's what?
That's a train.
Oh,
That's a train.
yeah, he has a cool book. What else do you see on that page?
That's a train. That's an airplane.
There's an airplane there?
That's VTA.
That's VTA, huh?
Wagon.
What'd you find, Camden?
He was last night, no mother said, and a ballerina, time to tidy up your room.
Time to tidy up your room?
Yeah.
What else happens?
She tried on her mother's clothes, make sad and happy faces. When she got to school, I don't like that school.
Wow.
Oh, she said,
What is this? A button? A button. Want to press it? Want to press the button hard? You want to press it, Luke?
Just put like this.